Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm really excited to show you how to add a checkout or shopping cart feature to your Canva website completely for free. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to guide your visitors from browsing your stylish Canva site all the way to the checkout process so they can actually buy what you're offering. Whether you're selling your own digital products or setting up a small online store, this simple method will help you start accepting sales in no time. Alright, let's dive right in. First up, let's head over to Canva. Now, if you haven't already, just log into your Canva account. You can do this on your browser or even straight from the Canva app if that's more convenient for you. Once you're in, look up towards the top corner and you'll see that big Create a Design button. Go ahead and click that. Now in the search bar, type in website. This tells Canva you want to design a website, not just a one-off graphic or a social post. You'll notice a bunch of template options instantly appear, and this is where it gets fun. Since we want to build something that's set up for shopping, I recommend scrolling through until you find a template that's specifically designed for online stores or shopping sites. These templates often have pre-made sections for product listings, featured items, and banners, so they make your life a lot easier. Remember, you can customize any template, but starting with something that already matches your vibe is always a bonus. Once you've found one that looks like a good fit, just click it to start editing. Now here, where we add the cart feature. This might sound a little technical, but it's honestly a breeze. Just stick with me. Navigate over to the left side menu in Canva and click on Elements. In the search box at the top of the panel, type in Shopping Cart. You'll see a ton of cart icons and graphics pop up. Pick one that suits your site's style, maybe something clean and minimal, or maybe a fun pop of color depending on your brand. When you found one you like, just click to add it to your page. You can drag it to the top corner, usually the right side. That's where most people instinctively look for a cart when online shopping. Here's an important step. Let's make that cart actually work. With your cart icon selected, look for the link tool, which shows up in the top menu. Usually it looks like a little chain link. Click it and a box will pop up asking for your URL. Now it's time to paste in the link to your checkout page. For this example, I'll just use www.checkitout.com, but you'll want to use the real checkout link for your business or payment processor. Maybe it's a Shopify checkout, PayPal, even a Google form if you're just getting started. Once you've added the link, hit done or apply and that's it. Your shopping cart icon is now clickable, and anyone who visits your Canva website can tap it and be taken straight to your checkout page to finish their purchase. Take a moment here to test the link. Just preview your website, click the cart, and make sure it goes where you expect. If it doesn't work, don't worry. It's usually just a missing HTTPS// or a typo, so double check and try again. And that's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you've added a shopping cart to your Canva website, opening the doors to new sales and a more professional online shopping experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or run into any issues. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and good luck building your online store.